Welcome back to House Hunt Daily. Today, we're exploring 10 affordable homes for sale across Florida, featuring waterfront views, active adult communities, spacious floor plans, and incredible value. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Port St. Lucie, Florida, $179,000. Our first featured home is located in the highly desirable Spanish Lakes 1 community in Port St. Lucie. Priced at $179,000, this beautifully maintained home offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,451 square feet of living space. Built in 2018 with durable CBS construction, this home stands out with its metal roof, impact-resistant windows and doors, and excellent curb appeal. A covered front porch welcomes you inside, where you'll discover an open-concept floor plan designed for both comfort and functionality. The kitchen is a true highlight, featuring elegant white cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a built-in pantry. Vaulted ceilings create an airy atmosphere throughout the main living areas, while plantation shutters and upgraded lighting add a polished touch. One of the most attractive features is the enclosed lakeside patio with its own air conditioning system. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee or relaxing in the evening, the peaceful water views create a wonderful Florida lifestyle experience. Residents also enjoy access to heated pools, fitness facilities, pickleball courts, tennis courts, golf, hobby rooms, and countless social activities. For buyers searching for affordable waterfront homes for sale, this property offers tremendous value. Number 2. Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, $164,900. Next, we head to Palm Beach Gardens, where this rare 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,450 square feet of comfortable living space. Located in the Meadows community, this home features a spacious open layout and a climate-controlled attached garage with private driveway access. Recent improvements include a newer roof, updated air conditioning systems, and modern appliances throughout the home. Inside, the primary suite offers dual sinks, a walk-in shower with built-in seating, and a spacious walk-in closet. The open living areas provide flexibility for entertaining guests or simply enjoying everyday life. With parking for multiple vehicles and a location close to shopping, dining, and Florida's beautiful beaches, this is one of the more attractive homes for sale in Palm Beach Gardens at this price point. Number 3. Port Orange, Florida, $149,900. Our third property is a rare opportunity in the popular Crane Lakes community of Port Orange. This St. Thomas model offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and an impressive 1,920 square feet of living space. The home enjoys beautiful water and golf course views, while being within walking distance of community amenities. Recent upgrades include a new roof installed in 2023 and a fully enclosed lanai that can be enjoyed throughout the year. Inside, you'll find spacious living areas, an open kitchen, dedicated guest accommodations, and a comfortable primary suite. The community itself offers golf, tennis, fitness facilities, pools, and social activities designed for active adults. Buyers looking for golf course homes for sale will appreciate the combination of location, space, and value. Number 4. Boynton Beach, Florida, $167,500. In Boynton Beach, we find a well-maintained villa offering approximately 1,820 square feet of living space. This 2-bedroom plus den floor plan provides flexibility for a home office, hobby room, or guest accommodations. Vaulted ceilings, diagonal tile flooring, and a seamless layout create a bright and inviting atmosphere throughout the home. Recent updates include a new air conditioning system and complete accordion shutters for added peace of mind. The spacious kitchen and family areas provide plenty of room for entertaining and everyday living. Residents enjoy access to golf, tennis, pickleball, resort-style pools, and multiple dining venues within the community. For buyers seeking active lifestyle homes for sale in South Florida, This property presents an excellent opportunity. Number 5, Cocoa, Florida, $155,000. Next is an updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Cocoa, offering 1,478 square feet of living space on a quarter-acre lot. One of the biggest advantages here is that you own the land with no HOA restrictions. The remodeled kitchen features a large island, stainless steel appliances, generous storage, and an inviting eat-in area. The spacious sunroom adds tremendous flexibility and can serve as a home office, fitness room, game room, or additional living area. Outside, the long driveway provides ample parking for RVs, boats, and recreational vehicles. The fenced backyard offers privacy and room for pets, gardening, and outdoor gatherings. As a bonus, residents can enjoy spectacular rocket launch views from the property. This is one of the most unique homes for sale along Florida's Space Coast. Number 6, Kissimmee, Florida, $60,000. If you're looking for incredible affordability, this Kissimmee property deserves attention. Priced at just $60,000, this fully furnished 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,179 square feet in a move-in ready lifestyle. The open concept design connects the living room, kitchen, and dining area into one welcoming space. A large kitchen island creates a perfect gathering place for family and friends. The true highlight is the breathtaking backyard view visible from both the dining area and spacious lanai. Recent upgrades include a new roof and a new air conditioning system, providing valuable peace of mind for future owners. Residents enjoy resort-style amenities, including a swimming pool, pickleball courts, mini golf, fitness center, clubhouse, dog park, and year-round activities. For affordable Florida homes for sale, this listing stands out dramatically. Number 7, Englewood, Florida, $164,900. Located in sunny Englewood, this charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,232 square feet of comfortable living space. Vaulted ceilings and a spacious living room create an inviting interior. The primary suite includes a step-in shower, while indoor laundry adds convenience to daily life. The community welcomes pets and golf carts, making it easy to enjoy the relaxed Florida lifestyle. Residents benefit from lawn maintenance, clubhouse access, and dedicated RV and boat storage. The location is especially appealing, with beaches, golf courses, fishing opportunities, restaurants, and parks all nearby. For buyers searching for coastal homes for sale, this property delivers excellent value. Number 8, Daytona Beach, Florida, $54,900. Our most affordable featured home today is located in Daytona Beach and offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,456 square feet. The open layout is designed for comfortable everyday living. The upgraded kitchen flows directly into a charming dining area, creating a welcoming environment for gatherings and entertaining. The large primary bedroom features a walk-in closet and private ensuite bathroom with an easy-access walk-in shower. Additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. With upgraded flooring, modern appliances, energy-efficient features, and move-in ready condition, this property represents outstanding value among affordable homes for sale in Florida.
Brand new day.
Number 9, Ocala, Florida, $125,000. Now let's visit one of Ocala's most sought-after active adult communities. This spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offers an impressive 1,748 square feet, making it one of the larger residences available within the community. Fresh interior paint and luxury vinyl plank flooring create a bright, modern atmosphere throughout. The kitchen provides extensive cabinet storage and generous counter space for cooking and entertaining. A highly desirable 2-car garage adds both convenience and storage. Residents enjoy access to golf courses, swimming pools, fitness centers, pickleball courts, tennis facilities, and an active social calendar. For buyers seeking retirement homes for sale with resort-style amenities, this Ocala property is an excellent choice.
Red face flame by the light.
Number 10. North Fort Myers, Florida, $167,500. Our final stop takes us to North Fort Myers and the welcoming Forest Park community. This beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offers approximately 1,536 square feet of move-in ready space. The bright open floor plan showcases a stunning new kitchen with modern cabinetry, granite countertops, and new appliances. Updated bathrooms and new flooring throughout create a fresh, contemporary look. Best of all, the home is being sold fully furnished, allowing new owners to immediately enjoy the Florida lifestyle. Forest Park residents enjoy an active social atmosphere and convenient access to shopping, dining, golf courses, beaches, and many of Southwest Florida's most popular attractions. That wraps up today's tour of 10 affordable homes for sale across Florida. From waterfront retreats and golf course views to resort-style communities and coastal living, these properties showcase just how much value can still be found in the Sunshine State. Thanks for watching House Hunt Daily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more incredible homes for sale across the United States. See you in the next video.